name is Francesca, and I am here to speak about Coach Megan and her workshop on ethical AI, as I aim to get certified on the matter to boost both my outreach and my professionalism. Dr. Megan is outstanding, service-oriented, clever, especially chosen by God, and last but not least, eloquent. I registered to the ethical AI workshop as it is a very trendy topic at the moment, and I do not want to be left behind. The modules are short, easy to follow along, straight to the point, and there are quizzes at the end of it that are, to my opinion, the best part, because they ensure that you retain the content to the best of your ability. On top of all, they are very practical, which is why I am very satisfied with the program and looking forward to get my certification. Lastly, I recommend her program and recommend following Coach Megan on social media, as one thing